exactly time when you have to explore yourself. This is my when it comes to my strength, yeah, when it comes to what makes me different.
Masters, then I just joined the PGT or TGT because it's a criteria first to complete the B.Ed as well as the masters.
Meet two types of people in your life. The one would say eraser are for those who are willing to make mistake, and eraser are also for those who are willing to correct their mistake. So it always depends on perspective and thinking, how you are thinking and taking that situation in your life.
Don't be smile. So what is the problem? Why? What is the pressure? You understand that you are going to be recorded. I understand when you know that somebody is recording you. So huge pressure.
Okay, so my first question is that how do you introduce yourself to someone new with a file line?
Okay. Well, this is Lakshmi in front of you, and if I talk about my qualification, I have done my schooling from CBSE board. Right now, I am pursuing BA History honors. Simultaneously, I am doing my research in a final year. I hail from Bihar and I live in Delhi since my childhood. That's all from my side.
Okay, first of all, I let me to be here in front of you. I am Udit Kumar, and I have completed my graduation from Delhi University in 2022. I am currently working in an airline who work in the aviation sector. And if I'm talking about my age, I'm 23 years right now, and that is all about me.
Okay, if I'm talking about, if I talk about,
If I talk about,
if I talk about, this is the one mistakes we often make, right? And while talking, when we talk to somebody, what happened? You just looked at him. So when you address the public, do remember one thing. What is doing there?
Change
the
sentence, change the person.
This is the one thing. Yes, next question. Next question, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you, why did you choose that particular subject for pursuing your graduation?
That's a very nice question. By the way, I am very good in Sanskrit. That's why I took the Sanskrit in my colleges, and I took lots of workshop in different states also, like Maharashtra and Kerala. I don't think I never think like that. In Kerala, they took classes from us in Sanskrit language because they have their particular language like Kannada. I think no, sorry, Malayalam. Okay, and but they took also they want to also learn about Sanskrit. That's why I'm pursuing.
What happened?
Nothing, sir.
Do you require malice something?
No.
So now,
Well, I forgot the
if you
name.
don't know, you can ask her name. Hey, what's your name? Ask her. She is Lakshmi, by the way.
Gotcha, sir.
Say me thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Now ask.
Well, Lakshmi, like if you get a chance to just make you clear something, like what makes you stand out from others? Like, is there any
Sorry, you are not
specialty of
audible.
yours?
Could you just
You are not
speak?
audible to her.
Like, what makes you different from others? Like, what makes you stand out?
Okay, what makes me different or stand out from the audience? You can say the simplicity or down to earth nature, because I feel that I used to, whenever I go somewhere and I indulge myself like a person who is living there. So I connect. I just put my heart and soul.
When we talk about our positive points, when we
Yeah.
talk about our strength, shouldn't we smile? So what is the problem? Why? What is the pressure?
No,
You understand
sir.
that you are going to be recorded. I understand when you know that somebody is recording you. It's a huge pressure on you. But this is the exactly time when you have to explore yourself.
Yes,
This is
sir.
my when it comes to my strength, yeah, when it comes to what makes me different, what I feel.
Yeah.
Repeat it.
Yeah, if I talk about what makes me different from the
Yes.
crowd, so my down to earth nature makes me different.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Why don't you raise your hand? I want to ask questions. Should I give you mine? Yes. You should raise your hand in advance. मेरे को आने की जरूरत नहीं होनी चाहिए. If she would speak, by that time some of you have to raise your hand. Otherwise I will start chopping you all. So,
Okay, so my question goes to all of you. So, what kind of personality do you like most and why?
The question to her?
All of you.
Okay, first you have to reply, then he would reply. Yes.
A person should be goal oriented. I like to listen those person who is a goal oriented, because yesterday I met a all India rank 1 Anuj like Agnihotri in a UPSC. So he is a very goal oriented. So I love to meet those person who is a goal oriented or optimistic person. So
When you know
that two
where
nature.
you have to reach, it helps us to reach over there.
Yeah.
If you know your goal. Goal it very good. Yes.
Yeah.
Pass by two.
Could you repeat your question, please?
What kind of?
So, well, what kind of personality do you like most and why?
Okay, first, if I'm talking about, if I talk about my,
Very good. We learn from the message. Very good.
if
Shabash.
I,
Nice.
if I talk about my idol person, he's David Goggins, and why I liked him so much. That's only because he changed himself so much. Like he's a cockroach press controller in his early 20s, and after maybe 5 years, he become world strongest man. That's why, because he's a not motivated guy. He knows that what we want in his life.
He knows he knew.
He knew, sorry,
Yes.
he knew what he want in his life. That's why I also want to be change. I also be like them, be like him, because I also want to change in myself. I have some negative points, and I know what is my negative weakness and my negative points, and I want to change them gradually.
He spoke very lengthy answer, right? Some more question I want. Some more
Okay,
question. Yes.
My question is for Lakshmi.
Very good. Good sound. Shabash.
Okay, so Lakshmi, what you want to be in your life and how can you achieve your goal?
Okay. Well, you asked a very nice question, but I want to uh, confidential. I want to keep it confidential, but I want to definitely make my career first in teaching line, because recently I gave my CUT B.Ed entrance. So, firstly, to in terms of become a self-independent financially, firstly I want to make my career in teaching line and then pursue my, like you can say, the final goal.
Teaching line. It sounds okay that you want to speak professional English, but there are industry, right?
Yeah, industry.
You want to involve yourself in mentorship,
Yeah.
teaching, motivating, and all that. Yeah? Very good. Nice. Nice. Some questions that should be. For example, she mentioned that I want to be a teacher. So, what would be the next question? Tell me. What would be the questions? You must have listened her reply. Can you ask another question to her? It should be associated with the reply of her.
Or,
Shabash.
okay, so you want to what we call PET teacher and TGT teacher.
Yeah, if I completed my masters, then I just join the PGT or TGT, because
Okay.
it's a criteria. First, to complete the B.Ed as well as the masters in my own specific subject. Then I become a TGT or PGT teacher. Otherwise, in a primary school teacher.
Okay.
As you know, Lakshmi, we are living in a modern India, so our technology is accelerating. So how would you cope up with the technology nowadays? If you see, the teacher are teaching through digital way.
Yeah.
So how would you cope up in the future with technology?
Actually, I'm also the learning the communication skill in Boon Education. Apart from the in my college, they also teach the skill based courses, like you can say the basic IT tools. Recently, in the last to last sem, I completed my basic IT tools. So these things explore, and it help us to learn the cope up with these kind of problems.
Okay, next question is like life related question. Have you ever this question is for both of you.
Okay.
Have you ever got any piece of advice from someone and it just blown your mind and it got stuck with you forever?
Okay.
Did you get this question?
Yeah.
Very good. Fantastic.
Yeah. If I tell any piece of advice to any person,
Somebody.
to somebody, so the advice should be like focus your on.
Look at, he mentioned, what you mention?
Have you ever got any piece of
Yeah.
What is the point? Now, first
Okay.
name. You can understand.
Yeah,
Get it?
I got it.
Very
Piece
good.
of
Yeah, you get its name. Yeah. Very good.
yeah. Like do busy or make life easy.
Still, you
That
have not
is.
got the question. That's the problem. So I always mention, if you are not good listener, you cannot be a good speaker.
Yeah.
Or communication is not all about what you speak. It's all about what you listen. So still you have not listened. I want you to just make understand what did he say. Please get the mic. Others.
He want to ask that.
Loud, loud, loud.
Okay, he want to ask that what kind of piece of advice. Okay, that
got
blown your mind.
somebody.
Got from some.
And that blew your mind. Oh my God, this is the right.
I never
decision.
knew about that kind of things. Can
You
There are
got?
several.
So you have to talk about one. So you need some time.
No, sir.
Shabash. Go ahead.
Only focus on my work. So that is which is my priority. I focus on my work. So that is advice I learn. And
Can you speak on the same question?
yes, sir. I am
Yes.
recalling my mind.
How satisfied people are, right? Daily, after every alternate, we get good piece of advices. You must have got so many advices from Pooja, Max.
Okay, yeah. Nobody gave me this advice. The book which I am reading,
Exactly.
No Excuse by Brian Tracy. He mentioned one point in his book, like your on a habit. Okay, if you want to achieve something in your life, okay, that means like 3 words. Lat means in English.
Habit.
No, before any addiction. Yeah, some kind of addiction make your identity. Okay, if you have an addiction of fitness, then you become a fitness influencer, maybe a fitness guy, fitness freak guy, fitness health conscious guy. And if you have a addiction on drinking, then you will become like a drunker like kind of thing, personality.
Yes.
So your addiction decide your personality.
This
And
might hit you.
hits you because I knew everyone knew this point, but nobody thinking like that. That's why I mean, yeah, he's right. Like our addiction is our personality. That's why.
We should be addictive of something.
Like
Very, very
I'm addicted to reading a book, and I'm a reader.
Okay, now. Okay. Pooja just started 2 people to come now. They have done good job. Very good. You should also raise your clap for yourself, right? Cherish house. Now who will be there? Now, what happened?
To ask you something from Vishal. So don't you think like that the judgmental of society makes someone confidence, breaks someone confidence?
Why don't you stand first? Now speak loudly. Very good, Samash.
So I want to ask you something from the Vishal. So don't you think
Yeah, two Vishal.
to
Vishal,
Vishal,
very good.
So don't you think like that the judgmental of society breaks someone confidence?
You can say, but I always believe criticism is must necessary thing in our life. If someone will not criticize you, so you would not know what's your drawbacks and what's your what things are just holding you to be a successful person. So if you know what you don't need to do in your life, so you can just improve yourself. So I would think we should never care about the society or any other people. If your parents is supporting you in anything, so that matters a lot.
Yes. Do you have any other questions?
No, sir.
On the basis
Not
of
at
your
all.
reply?
Not.
I want any of you to ask next question to Vishal on the basis of what he has replied. Any of you can? It means that you have not listened. If you cannot ask question to him, next question on the basis. Oh, I love when you speak something, right? A body gesture. Oh my God. Just this now. Yes.
Vishal, as you have talked about the criticism, like sometimes like criticism stop our mind to think. It lead us on a wrong path. How? Like how a person can stop, or like he can just stop to criticize anyone.
As I have mentioned, one more thing. It's always depends on you how you are taking that criticism. If you're taking it on a right way, so you can improve your personality. But if you're taking on a wrong way, so definitely you would be in a worse situation.
May I have the illustration of it?
Illustration, yeah, I used to give one phrase that you will always meet two types of people in your life. The one would say eraser are for those who are willing to make mistake, and eraser are also for those who are willing to correct their mistake. So it always depends on perspective and thinking, how you are thinking and taking that situation in your life.
But as we are living in a brutal era, like people are happy to burn other houses.
Yes.
How a person can be positive in that era where people start burning other houses and they just start criticizing?
You know, there are so many reasons to be an evil, but if you are need to pick the one reason that will make you the good one, the good person.
Very good. Very good. I want to ask some questions. Shabash, just have it. You may ask to that beautiful girl.
Okay. First of all, my question to both of you. Okay. Have you heard about letting go? Letting go. Okay. Who understand that? My question for them. Who's understand?
Explain it first well. If she has not understood your point, it's your task to make her understand actually what you want.
Sir, actually, my question is like, what is the between fundamental change? Huh? No.
Yes, no.
Okay. First of all, what is the sometime people do give up on what they're doing. Okay, and they called him letting go.
Yeah.
So do you think like that? Yeah, ki give up is like a I letting go. What do you know? What is the primary different?
In which type, sir? I
We have
can't.
to distinguish between letting go.
Let it go and give up.
Yes.
Right? Yes.
Do you know what is the letting go?
Yes, I know.
Okay.
I know it pretty well. I just believe in, there's a very good phrase, self pity is the biggest luxury. I always focus on the present. Look, whatever we have done on past, it doesn't matter. The thing which matters is now. What we are doing today will impact tomorrow. So I just believe in, I think letting go would be the best one, because if you have accepted what you have done wrong, so you can just go in a future with a like fresh mind.
Okay. Thank you.
Let go means something that you just
Let it go.
Okay, yeah. So do you feel that is a good way
Okay,
to deal with situation?
Can I give an example to her? Just 2 years ago, I am preparing for SSC. Sorry, I was preparing for SSC CGL. Okay, but I could not crack the exam.
Yeah.
But after 2 years, I felt that I'm not that guy who want to be like a government officer, because I don't want to read like 12-hour, 8-hour to just on sitting on a bench. Okay, but yeah, I love to acquire real life skills like communication skills or English speaking or some other skills. Okay, so I left the government job exam preparation and I took part of something else. Okay, I never ever felt guilty or some kind that what we call यार हो जाना चाहिए था मतलब I never have that guilt in my heart.
Never have got.
हाँ कि काश हो जाता, I wish का हो जाता है ना.
Yeah.
But in what we call second question,
Yeah.
give up. In give up, what happened? We have guilt in our heart. I could not crack the exam. That's why.
Okay, so according to me, letting go is the best solution, because if you are like,
Keep your mind close to you. Yes.
okay, so if you are thinking it was very worst thing about my like we are doing very struggle in our life for it, so you, sir, आप उसे लेके बैठ जाओगे,
Go back.
आप उसे लेके बैठ जाओगे, कैसे बोलूं?
If you take it seriously, if you persist with that, if you stick with that,
Yeah, if you stick with that, so it is very harmful for you, for your mind. So according to me, letting go is the best option.
okay. One more question from somebody else. Sir, have you come to my barat? Why don't you ask something? I'm thinking. Why don't you ask something?
Motivated, sir.
So why do you require motivation?
Okay, sir. I will ask from.
Yes.
Okay. I wanna ask from the related with the motivation. So today I was reading a post and I read a word boldness, highlighted word boldness. So how boldness keeps a man or woman motivated?
Could you just illustrate? Could you just go with
Boldness.
more
Do you know
explanation?
the meaning of boldness?
Yeah, I know.
So how boldness keeps us motivated?
Boldness keeps us motivated. I'm not getting in which
Very
context.
relevant questions. What is this? Why should we be the boldness and
Confident.
So do you have any suggestions to make me motivate?
Motivation.
Yeah.
I think you should find motivation in yourself. You are
How?
not gonna find.
Right? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
You should start doing something. You stop thinking. Instant do something as you are doing right now. Right? Change the questions. Ask something else. Okay? I want you to ask question to him. No. That's yes. Something else.
So
What about her past? What about yesterday and tomorrow plan?
okay, as you have asked me what is my motivation, so I have very simple question: who has always been your inspiration?
Yeah. Very related question you have asked me. My motivation is my tear.
Here,
And whenever I
I am talking
contemplation,
about person, any specific person
So-
who has always been your inspiration. Not
किसी लड़की से प्यार हो गया?
we are getting personal, sir.
What is it? हाँ, possible है? सही बात है।
So it's getting personal, sir.
पर्सनल अच्छा मैं समझ गया बेटे कोई बात नहीं it's okay but it happens in life right so he mentioned that his motivation is tears he needs some extra classes okay बस हम वाले क्लास में नहीं करेंगे okay no problem ठीक है now next who will come they have spoken very well I want some more people to be here on the stage
Now Raj and Priya.
yes come on
Thanks for asking this question.
his name is sit over there and sit well हाँ बस ठीक है now yes who is asking question you can change the question also it's not why people become so sad start motivation what is this here
Hello, Raj.
yes very good track question somebody asked question related to track I found it very good you can ask about the politics you can ask about something else just try to come out of this bit the more deep we this go into this motivation it's very difficult to come out motivation just plan after half an hour I will do this and do it this is the motivation you can plan okay, after half an hour I will go down and have the yoga class that is the motivation yeah now question you have yes Lakshmi has questions Mike fast like to Lakshmi
Firstly, how the goal assists you to accomplish your aim?
same kind of question you have asked I don't want to ask the same question
What?
how to goal, how to aim, ask something else.
Okay.
What one?
Like which politician you like for
Goal,
India?
I want not to ask this.
Okay, politics.
Not even not politics. You can talk about something else. Yes. Yes, please.
So, hello, Raj. How are you?
I'm fine, bro.
So,
What about
Raj,
you?
what do you think about the women reservation bill?
What?
What do you think about the women reservation bill? And you have any idea about the women reservation bill?
Sorry, but bro, I am not understand.
Yeah.
Speak loudly.
What do you understand by women reservation bill? It is good for our country or?
Reservation.
Bill, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That has been introduced in Lok Sabha and it has been.
But sir, I never watched that.
I have not much idea about it.
Yes.
So you can ask about the television shows, you can talk about the cricket, you can talk about the hippos, you can talk about the situation of local area, right?
So, do you think IPL matches are fixed or not?
Most time I watched and I think it's sometimes it's fake.
Keep it near mouth or speak, don't try to reply, speak long sentences. Prove how
Sometimes
it is fixed.
I think it's fake. But sometime I also feel it is real because mostly I like CSK मतलब वो MS Dhoni but I like that I support RCB and that time I feel too happy then RCB win so that time I feel it is real.
Whenever RCB wins, he feels that is real. The rest time
Everything is fake.
okay, do you feel the money we are wasting on these type of leagues, we should make it productive and we can invest these monies in our Indian infrastructure? The money we are wasting on these type of leagues, we can use
This
it
kind of things means why can't?
like IPL.
Like IPL and
Hmm. you're wasting on IPL. So we can use that money in our infrastructure to make our infrastructure better.
Bro, are you right? But I think our India is much, matlab, they earn more money by the help of IPL, by the cricketers, because all over world. Sir,
Match is telecasting.
match is telecasted in a whole over world, and they spend their money on the match, and that because of that, India earn too much money.
Okay, do you think that cricket is ruining other sports?
Ruin is the rule or ruin. Yes, ruin.
I don't.
Can I ask again?
Yeah, I'll ask you.
Do you think that cricket is ruined other sports like kabaddi and hockey?
I don't think cricket rules on other sport, but Indian people like too much cricket. And
You already like this?
in every state, every boy want to become cricketer. No want to become kabaddi player and badminton player. Every boys want to become a cricketer.
Wants to become a
Cricketer.
Okay, good effort. Now reply. Yes.
Okay, sir. Your question is really wonderful. I would like to answer this question. We all know in our society as well in our India, there are so many peoples who are just support the cricketer. Why? There are so many other sports. If we are, according to me, in my perspective, if we are support every game in the same, if we support all sport game, so definitely our India will be development as comparatively now times.
He wants to say that sports are not given. Yes.
So I want to ask you something to both of you. So don't you think like that watching a Big Boss and other reality shows, it is a waste of time, as we know that the time is precious one. So we can do something productive at that time.
Yes, are you right? It is a waste of time. Like Big Boss, matlab, they are fighting in their home, and we are watching and feel happy. And on that time, we never think about what are matlab, what
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 kind of
हाँ,
emotions?
हाँ, what
We never think. We never think.
we never think
What kind of emotions?
what kind of emotions.
What kind of energy? Energy?
Sir, but I want to say
Energy.
something else.
Do you want to say the same? What kind of energy?
What kind of energy
we receive?
we receive from there?
ये कहना चाहते हैं?
No, sir.
Something else? Oh. Say that also, no problem. Yes.
No, not problem.
No, say that is very important. Whatever you want to say. Here you are to learn something. So what you want
Yes,
to
sir.
say? Tell us.
Matlab, I think they are fighting in their home, and we are seeing them, and we feel happy. मतलब दूसरों घर में कलेश देख के किसी और दूसरों को अच्छा लगता है.
Yes. Yes.
So that's why people's watching that type of serials and OTT platform on OTT platform.
He is asking, is it good? Is not waste of time. He पूछ रहा है. क्या impact है उसका?
It is waste of time.
और impact क्या है उसका?
Fact that people only think always about bad things.
Bad thing.
बस बुरा चाहते.
What we watch, we become same kind. Yes, the same question. We watch. You have to
Okay.
speak on that.
So according to me, if we are spending our time, waste our time for anything, so definitely we will learn from something. Just like he asked to me, if we are seeing the serials and Big Boss, it is the waste of time. So yeah, it's depend on our situation. Just like if we are spending our whole time in the study, in our goal, so definitely we have to, but we have to some hours for our personal life. Just like if we are watching the Big Boss and other serials, movies, so definitely we will learn from something. So according to me, it is not waste of time.
We learn good thing also, bad thing also.
Ma'am, sorry, sir, it's depend on serial and other things.
Okay.
I want to say something. But because of from Big Boss, no one learn anything from Big Boss.
Nothing is there to learn.
Yes, sir.
Some of English.
They are only fighting there.
Next script.
That's only one word you can learn from
Elimination, eh? Okay. If we have 4 then, right?